In our previous session, we have discussed about Indian number system. How many periods are there, how many places are there, and how to give comma in any number when we have to write it in Indian number system. Okay. Now we will talk in short about the place and place value. Clear? Suppose you have a number. Suppose you have number 23 crore 64 lakh 95,443. Okay. Now you already know the places. Which place is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Place value is the value of the digit at that place and its value. For example, if you think about 3, 3 is at one's place. So 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 is the place value of this 3 digit in this number. Suppose we will talk about 5. This 5 is at thousands place. So 5 multiplied by 1000, that gives you 5,000. So 5,000 is the place value of this 5. We'll move towards this 4. You already know this, but I'm just revising. 4. 4 is at lakhs place. So 4 multiplied by, that gives you, see, when you are writing these zeros, make sure yourself how ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, बराबर 1 lakh आ गया. So its value is 4 lakh. Clear? Suppose this is 2. 2. At which place it is? It is at 10 crores place. So you have to multiply it by 10 crore. So it will, how many zeros it will carry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what will be its place value? 2. के बाद how many places are there? 8. So there will be 8 zeros. Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By mistake or in hurry, you may give one more or you may give one less. So it's better to count. So these are the place value. Why I am telling you place values? Because you may have a question like you have given any number. For example, 44 lakh 59,364 और कोई एक digit underline किया रहेगा और आपको पूछा रहेगा what is the place value of the digit. So what you must know, at which place it is. Which place? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. 1,000 के place पे कौन है? 9. So what is place value? 9,000. Same 4. Suppose ये वाला 4 पूछा है आपको, first वाला. So at which place it is? Count. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh के place पे क्या है? 4. So 4 into 10 lakh, that gives you 40 lakh. So what is the place value of this 4? It's 40 lakh. These place values you will need when you are writing any number in expanded form. ठीक है? Now we'll see what is expanded form. Expanded form and standard form, these two are very important things which you have oftenly asked in your question paper. Expanded form, you have to write a number in expanded, means in the form of addition of its place values of which of each digit in the given number. For example, you have 25 crore 47 lakh 95,221. Clear? Now starting from very first digit, how to write that? You have to write first 2. At which place it is? 10 crore. So it becomes 20 crore. लॉजिक बताओ, ये जहां पे है उसके बाद जितनी प्लेसेस आती है ना उतने जीरोस देने हैं, बचपन से सीखा ही होगा। व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग प्लेस वैल्यू, the place at which this digit is lying, after that whatever number of places are there, that many zeros you have to give. So let's see how many places are there after this 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros. अभी मैंने बताया था आपको कि 10 crore की प्लेस में after that place itself there are 8 zeros, so you will give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 5. It is at lakhs place, so 5 lakh. Okay, sorry, it's 5 crore, not lakh. So how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then you have 4. At which place this 4 is? 10 lakh, so 40 lakh. Plus, we will continue here, plus 7 lakh, 7 lakh plus 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 1. This is called as expanded form. Expand, बड़ा करना है, उसको खींचना है. Expanded form of this number. Okay. Now write down one example for you. Example as a homework. For example, 47 crore 95 lakh 249. ये एग्जाम्पल आप लिख लो. इसका एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म लिख के मुझे फोटो निकाल के भेजना. ओके, राइट डाउन केयरफुली.